Greetings everyone. So today we're going to talk about the Windows health check, just to make sure your system is capable of running Windows 11. So I'm going to go through the steps right after this. Okay, so you have to go to Microsoft website to find the link to the health check app that you need to download to test your system to make sure it's capable. I'm going to leave a link in the description so you can go straight to that page without worrying about trying to figure out how to find it. So make sure you check the description for the link. Once you find the page, you want to scroll down to where you see check for compatibility. And it's going to have a little heart sign with a light blue on top, dark blue on the bottom. And you want to download that PC Health Check app. Once you download it, you want to install it into your system. Click on the prompts and follow the steps. Standard installation procedure. So after the installation is finished, you want to click the finish button and it's going to run the software that's going to check your computer. The next window that should pop up on your screen is going to be PC Health at a glance. Once you get to this window, you want to click where it says Introducing Windows 11 and Check Now button, that blue button that you see on the screen. And then it's going to pop up the report of your system. If your system meet the requirement, it's going to say this. If your system doesn't meet the requirement, then it's going to say this. So right off the bat, you will know before you even waste your time if you can install Windows 11 on the current computer or laptop that you own. Now, if your system cannot handle Windows 11, it's going to highlight the reasons why. So for instance, on this laptop, it's telling me that I don't qualify. I don't meet the requirements. It's saying that this PC must support secure boot and its requirement to have a TMP 2.0, which this system only have TMP 1.2. And it's even telling me that the processor inside this laptop doesn't meet the requirements to run Windows 11. Now, if I click the button at the bottom that says see all results, just for the sake of it, then it's going to show me what my system passed as far as requirement. So there's enough memory to run Windows 11. The system disk space is over 64 gigabyte. The processor is 2 or more cores, even though it doesn't meet the requirement. So even though the processor meets certain requirements, it doesn't meet all the requirements to run Windows 11. So right now, this is telling me that this laptop eventually is going to be outdated. If I want to continue using it, I can continue using it running Windows 10, but I'll never be able to install Windows 11. Now on my desktop computer, you can see the results are different. I am totally qualified to run Windows 11 on this system. This is a system that I received last year, so it is more qualified and it's more up to date, while this one is telling me it's 6 years old. It even tells you right there in the specification. So it doesn't meet the requirement. So come October 2025, I'd have to figure out what I'm going to do. Just continue using it after that time frame or upgrade to a newer system. So as you can see on the desktop computer, everything qualifies. It meets all the qualifications to install Windows 11. So I shouldn't have any issue updating to that system. In the next video, I'm going to cover some frequently asked questions that you might want to consider before running out and installing the Windows 11 update if your system qualifies. So until then, thanks for taking the time for watching. Have a good one, and I'll see you next time.